Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa pang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo. Uy, sino ka?
Bebe.
And Pabibe. Hey baby, you finished eating baby, huh? Mommy feed you? Huh?
Uy, nauro na ito siya.
Huh? Nagtae ang baby?
Opo po yan.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Alright, Dwantro Fam, ngayong araw, we are going on a road trip! Road trip! Papunta po tayo sa New South Wales. So, nandito po tayo sa Queensland. Pero sa road trip na to, punta tayo sa Southern State. And nasa North tayo, nasa South yung New South Wales. Okay, so nag-i-impake kami para sa road trip na to. Dalhin ko rin yung laptop ko kasi mag-upload kami ng mga video. Tsaka yung drone.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Alright, packing the car. Here we go. Oh, that's annoying. Here's Lolo helping us pack, making sure we don't damage his car. Next bag. Here it is. So, gagamitin namin ang kotse ni Lolo kasi mas malaki siya. Papunta kami dun sa Gold Coast muna kasi sunduin namin yung kapatid ko na si Brooke at saka yung asawa niya na si Nathaniel. Go to bed. Thank you. That's just this pram. Okay. Alrighty, mate. All good to go. We'll see you, Dad.
See you, mate. Have a good trip.
Yep. I will.
You're going to smash the car, write it off.
Jan, maybe in and come and lap. You ready? Will Brooke fit there next to you? Jan?
Yeah.
Yes, Jan? Yeah, alright. Alright, let's go. We'll see you, Dad. Yeah, mate. We will. Alright, let's go. You right, Chanta?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. In reverse. Let's go. See you, Dad.
See you, Shanta.
Let's go.
Bye, Dad.
Okay, Shanta, it's our road trip. It's Nitro's first road trip.
Say bye-bye to Dad.
Here we go. Okay. Okay. Nandito na po tayo, Dwantro Fam, sa bahay ni na Brooke and Nathaniel. Tapos, sunduin natin sila. And then, let's go down to New South Wales. Ay, nasa New South Wales na pala tayo, no? Yes, kasi hindi na nakatira si na Brooke and Nathaniel sa border ng New South Wales. Okay, Mami Shanta.
Natutulog si Nitro.
Natulog na siya. Yes, it took us about 1 hour to get here. Isang oras na kami nag-drive.
May isang oras pa siyang patulog.
Ayun.
Kasi 2 hours yung tulog niya lang.
Oh, di ba? Okay guys, let's get Brooke and Nathaniel. Ganda ng bahay nila. Ganda ng lugar, no? Oh, how are we, the Tang? Nice.
We were about to sit down and watch TV.
Oh, what?
No, you weren't even going to be here.
Oh, I thought you were playing Crash Bandicoot.
Let's roll.
Get your crap and let's...
You could have parked down on the drive.
Yeah, do you want to bring the car down here?
Oh, it's a bit steep though, eh? I have to... Oh, I could reverse down it, I guess. No, I'll reverse down. I'll just reverse down.
How much space do we have in the car? We got quite a bit of
Oh,
stuff.
we'll have to just play Tetris, man.
I've got a surfboard that I would love to fit in.
Oh, friggin' hell. How big is it though? How big is it, mate? It's massive. Look at your surfboards, man. They're friggin' massive, dude. How much stuff have you got?
Got
Bags.
4 bags? Like suitcases? Oh, okay. I like them, okay.
Can you grab my wallet?
You start taking this stuff up.
Alright, mate. Oh, how about we?
Yeah.
Alright, time to play some Tetris, mate.
That's for your camera, hey?
Yeah,
Should we
that's
keep
it.
that up the front?
Well, I'll put that in the front with me, yeah. I'll just take all this stuff out, we'll rearrange it. Try awake, Shanta?
Yes.
Oh, he's awake.
You're filming, I'm filming.
Filming each other.
Everyone's filming.
It will be so fun.
No. Good luck.
Hello.
It's Auntie Brooke. Hey, that's Auntie Brooke.
Tita Brooke.
Yes, it is.
You remember me?
Tita Brooke.
Tita Brooke and Tito Samuel. Oh, here we go. He's trying to get the surfboard in.
It'll go. What is
Alright,
the
well,
point of having thousands of dollars worth of gear if when you go somewhere you just rent more gear?
well, you need to get a car with racks, mate. Go and see if it fits, mate.
Nitro.
Look, it's freaking fine.
Does it
So
work?
good.
Does it fit?
Yeah, it fit.
Oh, wow.
Nathaniel will be there.
Okay, well, are you right sitting there with that surfboard there, Sean?
It's on.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It doesn't
Okay.
hit my head.
You want to see it? Alright, well, let's go, mate. Let's
go.
Get in. Hey, baby Nitro. Woolley, you're in Byron Bay. Welcome to Byron Bay. Shanta, welcome to Byron Bay. It's your first time here, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so eto ang gagawin natin. Shanta, we are going to get sushi from O Sushi. Tama ba?
We need to buy Nitro's food.
Nitro's what?
Yes, we can get some.
Yeah.
Nitro's food, okay. Yes, so mag-shopping kami muna dito sa Byron Bay. Mga 2 oras kami ng biyahe. Dito na kami sa New South Wales.
Si Nathaniel.
Yes, Uncle Sanyo is taking Nitro for a walk. Okay, pasok tayo kasama si Baby. Ito yung pinakamahal na sushi sa buong Australia, char. So, eto,
Yes, please.
is it true, Brooke, that this is the most expensive sushi place in Australia? It's not?
Probably not.
Pretty friggin' expensive, eh? Better be good. Tingnan natin. Ano?
Ako na lang. Ito yung favorite ko.
Yeah, lemon lime and bitters. Ginger beer. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Here it is. Voila. Wow, ang sarap naman. Alright, Brooke. Go and eat it. See what you think, man. Here we are. Yeah. Magic na.
Yayang peg.
Kain na siya.
Ma'am, sir, kain lang muna kayo.
Here you go. Kain na. Put Nitro in the pram.
What? Yes, wait.
It's alright, baby. Nitro. Basta kung hindi siya kumakain, sumisigaw. Oh, how good's that, Shanta? Sarap?
Thank you, Brooke.
Okay, Nitro. Baby, Nitro. You ready to see the lighthouse, boy? Huh? Ready to see the lighthouse? What? What are you doing, huh?
Do this.
Let's go, Mami Shanta. Ano?
Chuki's gonna take a photo of us, too.
Oh yes,
Yeah,
right here.
bye. Alright.
Yes.
Damn, check this out. Ang ganda, no? Woohoo! Wow, that's a long way down. That's a long way down. Dang. Alright guys, at the Shah. The furthest point east in Australia that you can possibly go at the Shah. Galing, no? Ang galing. Ang fan house daw, sabi ni Shanta. Hey?
Look at the houses up on the hill there.
Dang. $1 million houses, man. Yep, $1 million. Mami Shanta, halika na dito. Grabe ang ganda. Ako. Oh, selfie! The tang! Woo! Woo!
You see the swell just like pushing right past, like you see the beach.
Yeah,
The
man.
waves like just going up.
Beautiful. Woo! Grabe. Sobrang ganda dito. We're here, Shanta, furthest point eastern Australia.
Ang init sobra.
Oh,
Sana
super
winter
init.
na.
Oo nga eh. Baby Nitro. Hi! Hi, baby boy. Hello, baby boy.
Sana winter na. Sobrang init.
Oo nga eh. That's Kasika's Brook. Oh, ho, ho, look at that. That is magical. Grabe. Yes, nasa shade na tayo, Shan.
Grabe, oily ko na.
Oo. Look at this dude. Sobrang ganda. As in. Woo! Baby Nitro. Oh, what's that, huh? What's that? Is that pretty? It's cool. Hey, look at that. Beautiful. Hey. Woo! Grabe. Ang ganda, parang ikaw, Char. Okay, ito yung parang daan papunta dun sa pinaka-eastern part. Yun. Parang nasa east talaga tayo. Anong east Tagalog? Silangan? Lupa ng silanganan. Silanganan, ayan. Oh, Nitro, you got Auntie Chucky's hat on. You got Auntie Brooke's hat on, don't ya? Yes. Wow. Ang cute. Wow, ang lakas ni Santa. Helping Nate take the pram down the stairs. Whew. Grabe, ang ganda. Malapit na tayo. Malapit na. Alright, in the pram you go, Nitro. In the pram you go. No more stairs. Here you go, baby. It's okay yan, no? Yes. Okay, Mami Shanta. Ano na? Are you nagagulan na?
Yes. Grabe, nagugulan ako. Kaya mapaso.
Yes.
If it wasn't, it would be like Marishundor. Oy, Agi!
Agi! Ang init.
He's got the hat. I'll give him water. Wait, I'll give him water. Can you drink that? Can you have some?
Have some water, Nitro. You're probably thirsty. Aren't you, baby?
I said Sook, but I said Sook. Thank you, Sook. I'm sorry.
No entry on stable edge, Shanta. You right? Kaya mo yan, mami. You are super mom.
Dun, dun, dun.
Wow. Wow. Damn. The most easterly point of the Australian mainland. Ha ha ha. We are here. Eto siya. Yun. Ha ha ha. Dumating na kami dito. Ito yung pinaka-silangan ng lugar ng Australia. Di ba silanganan siyan? Ang ano?
Silangan.
Ay, silangan.
Baby Nitro! Yahoo!
Silangan sa Tagalog, pero kung Bisaya, silingan.
Diri.
Baby Nitro. Man, look at those waves. Epic waves, man. Woohoo. Wow.
Kayakers. Paddle.
Go for a paddle in that, you reckon, mate? Sige. They say that stuff down there, that floating bubbly stuff, is like mermaid turd. Diba, yung sirena, kapag tumae sa ocean, may mga parang bubble.
No, actually, those are dead mermaids.
Oh, dead mermaids.
Yeah, they
Oh, they're
foam.
dead mermaids, mate. They turn to foam.
Is that what they say in the Philippines, eh?
Yeah, well, apparently in the Little Mermaid original story, that's what happens to them when they die. Yep.
Serious?
Yep. Meanwhile, pupunta na tayo sa Coffs Harbor. Ito po yung pinapatugtog natin from the start. Yeah, boy, bro. It's the Dwantro song night! Yeah, mate! Ayan, eto.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Oh, yeah! Spotify, man. Okay, Dwantro Fam, nag-stop muna kami kasi si Nitro tumae ata. Grabe. Ang bilis ng mga kotse dito, no? Grabe. Bro! Hey, baby! Hi! Oh. That was a big truck, baby. That was a big truck. Yes. Yes, ang daming truck dito. Alright, we're gonna get you out. We're gonna change your bum, baby. Alright, Chanta. Let's get this baby out of the seat.
Yeah, let's check if he did a poo-poo. If we'll go back.
Alright, here we go.
Let's check. What did he do? Let's need to change his one because it's too much.
Oh, what's that?
No, that's just us.
Oh, good.
Hey, I wanna check.
What?
It's just we.
Just wait. Alright. We're gonna change his bum. It's a truck. It's a truck, baby. Look. Look, it's a truck. Look. Whoa. Oh, a truck. Big truck. A truck. Is that fun? Huh? Oh, it's a car. It's a car. Yes. Dumating na tayo dito. Alright, ito yung Airbnb natin. So, papasok tayo. Alright, how's Nitro doing, Shanta?
Makita.
How's Nitro doing? Shan?
Okay lang, masaya.
Okay lang? Ayan, pero puyat na, no? Antok na, no?
Oo, antok siya, okay siya. Antok siya ng maganda sa...
Ay, ganun. So, ito yung Airbnb natin para sa sosyal. May upstairs pa. Ayun, no? Hello, baby Shanta. Oh, we got a pantry there. Sala. We got the outside area. Oh, mga sosyal ang kotse natin. May ensuite pa. Sana all. Okay, Dwantro Fam, andito na tayo sa katapusan ng vlog na ito. Ayan, so abangan niyo po ang sunod ng mga adventures natin dito sa New South Wales. Shoutout ko muna yung mga Golden Dwantro Fam natin. Una sa lahat, Romeli Banya's Vlog, Da Remy's, Kicks Sticks, Shane Ransborn, Kiko Arps, Swiss Humanity, Tradex General Trading, Regina Cieli's Art Shop, Conchita Docon, Jolie Inocencio, DC Joe, Pinay for Life, the Filipino Fam, the Scotty Fam in Brisbane, the Aussie and his wife, the Ramsey family, DXMT, Haley and Ashley's sisters, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Natty Bontian, Oscar Corda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Alright, Dwantro Fam, kita-kits pa sa sunod ng video natin, and bye for